Example 203, we've got the integral of 4x over x minus 1 squared and x times x plus 1. So my partial fraction decomposition is going to be let's see, we've got x minus 1 to the first power, x minus 1 squared, and x plus 1. We're going to multiply all this stuff by x minus 1 squared and x plus 1. And so that's going to give me 4x equals, let's see, a times x minus 1 x plus 1 plus b times x plus 1 plus c times x minus 1 squared. All right, so we've got to we've got to solve for a, b, and c, and in this case we can plug in 1 and we can plug in -1. So we'll be able to get two of our variables like that. If you plug in x equals 1, you get 4 on this side, and let's see, the 1's going to make this cancel away to nothing, and this. So, and then this is going to be b times 1 plus 1. So 2b. So we've got b is 2. Then if we plug in -1, we get -4. Let's see, this is going to cancel away. This is going to cancel away. And we're left with c times -2 squared. So -2 squared is 4. So I get c is -1. And now we've still got to figure out what a is. So I could multiply all this stuff out and get what we need, but I'm going to be somewhat lazy and not multiply it all out. Let's just look at the coefficient of x squared. All right, on this side over here, the coefficient of x squared is 0. On this side over here, the coefficient of x squared, well, let's just work out only as much of this as we absolutely need. We're going to get an x squared here. We'll get x squared minus more stuff. And over here, this is going to give us an x squared. And it's x squared minus 1, but all we really care about is that there's an x squared there and its coefficient is 1. At least its coefficient inside here is 1. So we get, for our coefficient of x squared on the whole thing, we get a plus c. So this gives us that a, if a plus c is 0, that means a is -c, so a is 1. So now I can rewrite my integral as integral of, let's see, a was 1, so that's going to be 1 over x minus 1. B was 2, so plus 2 over x minus 1 squared. And then c was what? C was -1, so minus 1 over x plus 1 dx. All right, so two of these are a breeze to integrate. This one is going to give you ln of x minus 1. This is going to give you minus ln of x plus 1. And the one in the middle is going to give us, let's see, I'm going to come over here to the side and do a, well, I could come to the side and do a u sub on it. Since, you know what, that's what I'm going to do. Just for this guy, if you let u equal x minus 1, du is dx. So you've got 2 over u squared. That's 2 u to the minus 2 So that's 2u to the minus 1 over negative 1. So that's 2. It's negative 2 over u. So this is minus 2 over x minus 1. And I'm going to erase these little lines that I drew between here. And I get plus c over here. And that's my answer.